Hello, beautiful people. My name is Cyprian. Today, we are going to move from here to here. This is not magic. This is AI. Today's video, we are going to talk about AI.
Okay, let's start our tutorial. First of all, I come to my Adobe Premiere Pro, take photo from my footage. And after, I go to my browser, search Adobe Firefly. They ask me to upload the image. I click here, immediately my folder where I saved the photo from Adobe Premiere Pro, and I select what I want to take. Then I start to draw where I want to put my props. First of all, you must know which site keylight set, because even though you want to fix props on background, you need to make it real. That's why you need to know where the light comes from. Here we are going to fix the window. Let's draw it. After draw, I come here and search a window image. It takes a while minute to find the image you want. It gives you more option to choose the image you want. This is the window that I was looking for. The flowing props that I want to fix is modern art. Let's draw where you want to fix it. After to choose modern art, let's fix others as quick as possible in order to reduce our tutorial duration. finish to fix all props, you want to go to download your image, but remember it comes with the logo Firefly. If you need to move this logo, you need to pay it. Otherwise, I'll show you how you can mask it. Let's continue. Now it's time to use the image as the real background.
Wait. Before continue, subscribe please. Thank you.
We come to Adobe Premiere Pro, put the background image over the footage. Last, we are going to mask this image, except props. Remember to select inverted. Easy.
This is AI. Thank you for watching my video. If you learned something, please remember to subscribe. That's it from me today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.